Hello friends and welcome to Mehroo's Mystery Land.
Get ready for an exciting challenge as we are going to play choose one button, yes or no or maybe. And let's go! Question 1. Would you explore a distant planet with this cube? Space Exploration Team. Question 2. Would you pilot this advanced spacecraft? Interstellar Starship. Question 3. Would you communicate with these alien species? Sentient beings from Alpha Centauri. Question 4. Would you use this technology to teleport to another city? Quantum teleportation device. Question 5. Would you live in this futuristic city? Floating city in the sky. Question 6. Would you wear this type of spacesuit on an alien planet? Nanotech adaptive suit. Question 7. Would you explore this parallel universe? Mirror dimension. Question 8. Would you enhance your abilities with this cybernetic implant? Neural enhancement chip. Question 9. Would you join this intergalactic alliance? United Planets Federation. Question 10. Would you interact with this humanoid robot? AI-driven android. Question 11. Would you use this time machine to visit the future? Temporal displacement device. Question 12. Would you study this alien artifact? Ancient Martian relic. Question 13. Would you attend this galactic council meeting? Interplanetary Peace Summit. Question 14. Would you fight in this futuristic war? Battle against Rogue AI. Question 15. Would you explore this wormhole to another galaxy? Milky Way Andromeda wormhole. Question 16. Would you pilot this mecha in a battle? Giant robotic exoskeleton. Question 17. Would you colonize this distant exoplanet? Hat-like planet in Proxima Centauri. Question 18. Would you use this AI assistance to manage your life? Question 19. Would you explore this abandoned space station? Starlink station on the edge of the galaxy. Question 20. Would you survive in this post-apocalyptic world? had after a nuclear disaster? Question 21. Would you upgrade your consciousness into this digital form? Virtual reality universe. Question 22. Would you join this mission to save humanity? Expedition to find a new home planet. Question 23. Would you decode this alien message? Transmission from deep space. Question 24. Would you adopt this alien pet? Friendly extraterrestrial creature. Question 25. Would you explore this virtual world? Hyper-realistic VR simulation. Question 26. Would you time travel to prevent this future disaster? Total climate catastrophe. Question 27. Would you negotiate with this alien race? Diplomacy with the Zeta Reticulans. Question 28. Would you use this talking device to become invisible? Advanced health technology. Question 29. Would you investigate this mysterious signal from space? Extraterrestrial pattern. Question 30. Would you participate in the space race? Competition to reach Mars. Question 31. Would you explore this alien ecosystem? Biotower tanker on Kepler. Question 32. Would you use this technology to explore the ocean depths? Underwater exosuit. Question 33. Would you live on this space colony? Orbital habitat around Earth. Question 34. Would you join this rebellion against a dystopian regime? Uprising against the megacorp. Question 35. Would you pilot this spacecraft through an asteroid field? High-speed space cruiser. Question 36. Would you use this AI to predict the future? Predictive analytics engine. Question 37. Would you explore this multiverse of possibilities? Infinite parallel realities. Question 38. Would you harness this energy source to power the world? Zero-point energy reactor. Question 39. Would you interact with this extraterrestrial intelligence? Hyper-intelligent alien species. Question 40. Would you survive on this desert planet? Harsh environment of Iraqis. Question 41. Would you use this exercise to enhance your strength? Power exoskeleton. Question 42. Would you lead this expedition to explore a black hole? Mission to study the event horizon. Question 43. Would you live in this artificial habitat? Biosphere on Mars. Question 44. Would you upload your consciousness to this machine? Digital mind transfer. Question 45. Would you use this nanotechnology to heal injuries instantly? Self-repairing nanobots. Question 46. Would you explore this alien spaceship? Massive extraterrestrial vessel. Question 47. Would you control this drone swarm with your mind? Neuralink drone system. Question 48. Would you use this device to manipulate gravity? Gravity field generator. Question 49. Would you live on this artificial intelligence run city? Smart city governed by AI. Question 50. Would you participate in this space-time experiment? Quantum entanglement study.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more fun videos like this. Good luck.